I don't snore.
I heard you! Snoring, fit to blast birds out of the sky and chuggers off the rails.
Don't be ridiculous.
Well, if you don't believe me, how about we go to the repair shed right now and get this sorted out?
All right, you're on. And while we're there, we'll get Morgan to check your hearing.
Brakes in excellent working order. Primary suspension in excellent working order. Fault detected. Fault detected. Unidentified objects in drain reservoir.
What's it talking about?
Looks like you've got rocks in there, Harrison.
I haven't been near any rocks.
Well, what were you doing at the quarry? Bird watching?
Come on. Better get you on the rotator and take a look.
Oh, no. Will they scratch my bodywork?
Well, that will be the least of your worries if I don't get some sleep tonight.
Don't leave me.
I knew it. Rocks indeed. Wait till I tell Olwyn.
All done, Harrison. You can open your eyes now. I don't think you'll rattle anymore.
Thanks for being so gentle, Morgan. I'll go and tell Chatsworth the good news. Oh, Chatsworth! Where are you?
Shush.
Ah, right here.
I said that you'd do everyone's work while they all had a nap.
Ah, I suppose that's only fair, V. After all, I slept like a rock.
Harrison to platform 1. Hurry up, Harrison. There's a pickup needed at the farm after that. Coco to platform 1, please.
Rivets.
Can you do a pickup at the paper mill, please?
I'm on it, V. Choo-choo. Job number 3.
Oh no, Coco's really busy. What about me, V?
Nothing yet, Hodge.
I've got to find another job or I'll never win. Everything all right, Pete?
Yes, thanks, Hedgehog. Couldn't be better.
Water warm enough,
It's not bad. Can't complain.
but not really, really warm.
Well, not really warm, but youngsters these days, always in a rush. That should do the trick. Oh, lovely. Right, what's the problem here?
The water's not hot enough.
Okay, let's have a look then. Yeah, there we are. Ah! Oh no! Quick, Hodge! Get me some plumber's tape.
Yes, job number 2.
Go, KK. Go, KK. Go, KK.
You know, all I've done today is mend things that didn't need mending.
Wait, Eddie, there's work to do.
Hey, you're right. This neck looks bent. That should do it.
Yeah, but it's so hard when you can't see where you're going.
Tell you what, Wilson, I think I know a way to help you master that loop track and get your confidence back.
Really?
These wing mirrors will help you see where you're going.
Oh, I bet I look really silly.
Of course you don't. Now, let's try them. I want you to reverse backwards while looking in your mirrors to get a feel for them.
Oh, I hope no one sees me like this. They will laugh at how silly I look.
Wilson. What are you doing?
Oh, just chilling.
Sporting a new look, I see.
Yeah, they're wing mirrors.
I know. I had them once myself.
Huh? You did?
Uh-huh. They look great on me. But then, what doesn't?
Bye! Great on Harrison, but silly on Wingo Wilson.
There you are, Wilson.
We were honking horns. What are those?
Wing mirrors.
Ooh, they're fantastic.
Yeah, I think Action Chugger has something like that.
Really?
How do they work?
I'll show you.
Cool.
You can do it?
Yeah.
Ooh, I want some too.
Yeah, me too.
You two don't need them, and with a bit of practice and concentration, neither will I. Well done, Wilson.
That's the ticket.
That is how the giraffe got its markings. Next up is the monkeys. But why don't we do something different instead?
No, the monkeys. We want to see the monkeys.
But
Monkeys!
of course.
Okay, Wilson, time to buckle up.
All buckled up.
Now, move the hose over the pond and lower it into the water.
But nobody's going to want a delivery of stinky pond water.
A duck might. Wah, 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 wah.
I've been looking for you, Matambo.
Another tour?
Actually, no. I was wondering if you'd go to the docks later.
The docks?
Yes, we're having a delivery. Something called, what was it? A gigantic crested lizard.
I have never heard of such a creature.
Neither have I. It's arriving this afternoon. I'll let you know when.
Soon I'll have an exciting new story to tell about the time I transported a gigantic lizard.
Chugger approaching. All aboard. Doors closing. This chugger is bound for the safari park. Hey!
That's it, Wilson. Now fill it up.
Okay. Watch out! I'm a naughty elephant.
Oh, Wilson.
Concentrate, Wilson. Oh, put the hose back in the water.
Hello, Ibo. I am going to pick up the gigantic crested lizard. It's a huge beast.
Form an orderly queue for entry to the film, please. Press to the left, everyone else to the right.
Honking horns. I can't wait.
Ooh, I really want to see this.
Oh, a reporter. Straight up the left track, please. Action Chugger will meet you there.
But I'm looking for thank you.
Well, if Morgan doesn't need me anymore, I'll be Zeffie Ace Reporter.
Pete, I'm not sure I can do this by myself. We need someone much stronger.
Wow!
I'm helpful, I'm strong, I get the job done. Thank you. Always a pleasure to meet my fans.
Action Chugger, Zeffie Ace Reporter here. I was wondering if I could interview you.
Yeah, no probs, but we'll have to be quick. They want to roll the film.
Oh, right. Yes. Questions. So what's your favourite colour?
Haha, that's easy. It's... Uh-oh, there's been a rock slide. Sorry, citizen. Someone needs Action Chugger. Gotta fly.
Oh no, my big chance to get a story. It's gone.
Don't worry, Pete. Help is on the way.
I'm number one. I'm helpful, I'm strong, I get the job done.
Bragg said a reporter will do anything to get a good story.
I'm getting out of shape.
Whee!